product in YouTube store. So if you have it on your actual to-do YouTube, you can have it if you're actually eligible. First thing you need to do is to go over to studio.youtube.com, then click onto this earn option. Now, once you're in there, you should be able to see if you're eligible for the earn option on YouTube. So what you can do in this part is to head over and see if you're eligible for shopping. You can connect your store or shop to promote products like merchandise on your channels. You need to have in here this 500 subscribers, 3 video uploads, and one of the following, which is 3,000 watch hours or 3 million public short views. If you're eligible, you can connect your store, and if you want to add product into your store, you can head over to the actual host that actually you connect to your YouTube. So an example for that is Shopify. Enter your Shopify right there, head over to the products and click on this add products or import. Click on any one of them, and then from in there it should be able to load in order to let you fill up this boxes right here. You can input the title of the product, the description, the media category, the cost and the likes, as well as the weight, variance, and search engine listing. Once you're done, head over and click on save option right here in order to save your product, and it should be able to appear right here into your YouTube store. So that's how you add product in YouTube store. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.